Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good at home and maintain all the protocol for COVID-19. Okay, so welcome to the third part of our science chapter 2, that is microorganisms friend and foe. In our previous part we have learnt about how it is harmful for us and how we can preserve the food. Okay, so in the food preservation we were left with this canning part, canning. Okay, how we can preserve our food with the canning also, by the process of canning means to pack the food in can or the glass material. Okay, so after sterilizing the food, it is canned in airtight container. Okay, it is canned in the airtight container, that is, see the the jam, pickles, canned food and milk packs we buy in a packet, and वो खराब भी नहीं होता, food बिल्कुल सही होता है उसमें. So by the canning also we can preserve the food. Okay, now see nitrogen cycle, how nitrogen cycle is important for our atmosphere, in our atmosphere. So nitrogen cycle, wait, okay, nitrogen is the most abundant element in our atmosphere, comprising about 78% of it. You know, the nitrogen, it is available in our environment in a very abundant amount, right? 78%, as it is present in the gaseous form. It cannot be used directly by living organisms, so we cannot use it by living or directly from the environment, right? We just, when we inhale ना, हमारे अंदर आता है नाइट्रोजन, बट हमारा जो लंग्स है ना, दैट ओनली फिल्टर ऑक्सीजन, राइट? सो नाइट्रोजन वी जस्ट एक्सेल, हम उसे एक्सेल कर देते हैं हमारे बॉडी से, राइट? सो वी कांट टेक इट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द atmosphere. So this atmospheric nitrogen has to be converted. इसे convert होना होता है for the suitable in the use to the usable form for the organisms through the nitrogen cycle. Okay, and nitrogen cycle is defined as the process of which atmospheric nitrogen is fixed and is used by the plants and animals and then returned to the atmosphere. So what we can say nitrogen cycle? Nitrogen cycle is the process by which the nitrogen is fixed into the environment and is used by the plants and animals and then again returned to the atmosphere, right? So see, I'll explain this. We have already spoke about this diagram and in the Google Meet classes, and I have sent you a very easy diagram about this. You can follow that also. Okay, and I'll explain this also. So see, the first is how there are five main process in this cycle which are discussed as follow. Okay, there are how many process? Mainly 5 process. Okay, the first process is nitrogen fixation. How nitrogen fixation is helpful? It is the process of fixing free nitrogen gas of the atmosphere into inorganic nitrogen compound by organisms such as rhizobium. The nitrogen is fixed in the roots of the plants such as rhizobium, and the nitrogen is fixed in the roots of the plants such as peas, beans, and other leguminous plants. Okay, in addition to this biological process, lightning, volcanic eruption and forest fires help the converting nitrogen into ammonia. So what do nitrogen fixation means? You know, there is leguminous plants, they have, see, these are the leguminous plants, they have the root nodules. These are the root nodules which contains the rhizobium bacteria, right? This contains the rhizobium bacteria. These root nodules contain the rhizobium bacteria, and rhizobium bacteria convert or fix the nitrogen. They fix the nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, they fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, and sometimes the lightning and volcanic eruption and forest fire is also help the converting nitrogen into ammonia. Okay, so nitrogen for the leguminous plants, we can say, what are the leguminous plants? The leguminous plants are the peas, beans and all, right? Now nitrogen assimilation. What is nitrogen assimilation? Okay, nitrogen assimilation. The roots of the leguminous plants absorb the fixed nitrogen, which is later converted to protein in the plant body. You know, the leguminous plants, they absorb the fixed nitrogen from the root of the plant and then convert it into the protein which is used by the plant body, and when the human eat, it also comes in our body in the form of protein only. So this process of converting inorganic nitrogen into usable organic compounds is called nitrogen uptake or assimilation, right? It is called the nitrogen uptake or assimilation. What is assimilation? By assimilation means use karna, right? So when we use it in the form of protein, you know, the leguminous plants, they just fix the nitrogen, right? The rhizobium bacteria, they fix the nitrogen, and then the plant that convert that nitrogen into protein, and when we use that protein, that forms is known as, that whole the process is known as the assimilation. Okay, now what is ammonification? The organic nitrogen gets converted into ammonia when plants and animal die. You know, when the plants and animal die, I have already discussed the bacteria, they converted the plant or animals जो होते हैं, the dead and plants and animals, they convert it into and they decompose it, and the nutrients that go to the soil. Okay, so the organic nitrogen gets converted into ammonia when plants and animal die. Okay, and the microbes act on the dead matter and convert the protein into ammonia, right? When the plant or animal die, they have the protein in their body. Nutrients means they have the nutrients in their body, that is the protein. The microbes, they act on the dead matters and convert that protein into ammonia, and this process is called the ammonification. Means the conversion of protein into ammonia is called the ammonification. The process of converting protein into ammonia by the action of microbes on dead matters are called the ammonification. Okay, now water nitrification. The water nitrification. Some of the ammonia produced during decomposition of organisms is converted into nitrates in the soil. You know, some ammonia which produced during decomposition. Decomposition means जब dead or decaying dead animals or plants होते हैं, उसको जब bacteria decompose करता है, by that process only some ammonia produced during decomposition of organisms is converted into nitrate. That time they convert into nitrate in the soil, and with the help of bacteria is called the nitrification. Okay, now denitrification. What is denitrification? This process takes place anaerobically when some of the nitrates are absorbed by the plants. Here some of the nitrates are absorbed by the plants, and the remaining nitrates are converted back to the nitrogen gas by denitrifying bacteria. Okay, so denitrification means what? In this process then some of the nitrates are absorbed by the plants, okay, and some remaining converted or back to the nitrogen gas. They are converted back to the nitrogen gas by the bacteria called the denitrifying bacteria. Okay, so this is the process of nitrogen cycle. Here I am showing you in the diagram. See in the diagram, so by the leguminous plants, or by the process of the volcanic eruption and forest fire, okay, that all converted into ammonia, right? But you know, nitrogen, the gaseous atmosphere in nitrogen, and plants, they just fix the nitrogen. Okay, lightning also fix the nitrogen, and then nitrogen is converted into ammonia, the nitrification, nitrates, and again it goes to some are used by the nitrates, you know, see, some are used by the plant and some goes to again to the atmosphere in the form of nitrogen by the process of with the help of bacteria called the denitrification. Okay, so it's not that much tough. You can when you will practice this 1 or 2 times, you will get it. Don't go for this. Go which I have shared in the Google Meet. Google Classroom. Okay. So what we have learned class, what we have learned in this chapter. Our chapter is finished. What we have learned in this chapter, we have learned about how bacteria are useful for, how the microorganisms are useful for us, right? These are the organisms which are very useful for us in many ways. These are harmful for us in many ways, right? And we can make our food items, medicines with these bacteria, and we get many diseases from this bacteria. How we can preserve our food, okay? And how nitrogen cycle help us, okay? And how we can get the protein from the nitrogen cycle, okay? So I hope you got everything from this chapter. You have cleared your doubt with this chapter, but still if you have any doubt, you may ask me by calling me or by asking me in my personal WhatsApp, okay class? So there are some question, multiple choice and true and false, fill in the blanks and all. So you can do it by yourself only. It's very easy. Go once or twice the video, you can check, or आप एक दो बार खुद से पढ़ लेना, and you can do it. But still if you face any problem, I'll help you for this, okay? And already we have done this chapter in our Google Meet classroom. हमने Google Meet classroom में already ये सारे question answer कर लिए हैं, ठीक है? I have already told you the answers of this exercise, okay? And we have provided you the study notes as well. You will get from there also. So but still you have any doubt or any queries, you can call me and you can ask me, okay? So thank you for today class, and I will catch you in my new and next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. Be at home, be safe, and maintain all the protocol for COVID-19, okay? Thank you.